If you've ever visited an online store and noticed labels like new, bestseller, or sale on products, you've already seen product badges in action. These badges help important products stand out, attract customer attention, and encourage more clicks and purchases. The good news is that Shopify makes it possible to display product badges, and many themes already include this feature. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add product badges such as new, bestseller, and sale to your Shopify store, step by step, even if you're completely new to the platform. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, go to Online Store and then click Themes. Find your currently published theme and click Customize. The theme editor is where you'll control how products appear on your storefront. Before making any changes, it's important to know that badge options vary depending on the theme you're using. Many modern Shopify themes, especially Online Store 2.0 themes, include built-in support for badges. Inside the theme editor, navigate to a collection page or product grid section. Look for settings related to product cards, labels, badges, or product information. If your theme includes a sale badge option, enable it. Shopify will automatically display this badge whenever a product's compare at price is higher than its selling price. To create a sale product, go to Products, open a product, and in the Pricing section, enter the discounted price in the Price field and the original amount in the Compare at Price field. Save the product and preview your storefront. You should now see a sale badge displayed automatically. Now let's talk about new product badges. Shopify doesn't automatically know which products are new, so you'll usually need to create a method for identifying them. One simple approach is to add a product tag called New. Open a product, scroll to the Organization section, and add the tag New. Save the product. Some themes allow you to display badges based on product tags. If your theme supports this feature, enable tag-based badges in the theme settings. For bestseller badges, the process is similar. Open products that you want to highlight and add a tag such as bestseller. Again, if your theme supports tag-based badges, these labels can automatically appear on product cards. If your current theme does not support custom badges, don't worry. Many Shopify themes offer app integrations that can add advanced badge functionality. To explore these options, click Apps and visit the Shopify App Store. Search for terms like product badges or product labels. Several apps allow you to create custom badges, schedule promotions, and automatically display labels based on sales, inventory levels, or product tags. After installing a badge app, follow the setup instructions to choose badge styles, positions, colors, and display rules. Most apps let you assign badges to individual products, collections, or entire categories. Once everything is configured, visit your online store and check both collection pages and product pages. Make sure the badges appear correctly and don't overlap with product images or other elements. It's also important to test the storefront on mobile devices because badges can sometimes appear differently on smaller screens. Remember not to overuse badges. If every product has multiple labels, customers may ignore them. Reserve badges for products you truly want to highlight. To quickly recap, check whether your theme supports product badges, enable built-in sale badges, use product tags for labels like new or bestseller, install a badge app if necessary, and always preview your store on desktop and mobile before publishing your changes. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to add product badges to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.